If you are looking for a way to use VPN on your consoles like PS5, PS4, Xbox and Switch, you're in the right place. Why do I recommend sharing a VPN with a router? There are many ways to use a VPN on your gaming console, like sharing from your PC, laptop or a rooted Android phone. The best way is to use a router VPN because it's the most reliable and sometimes the cheapest way. It will share the VPN through LAN and Wi-Fi and all of your devices can use it at the same time. But how to know if your router supports VPN? First, you can check the official website to know if your router supports VPN. Too many routers support VPN in different ways, but the most famous methods are L2TP and PPTP client VPN. If you have a router, check the official website to ensure it supports it. If not, keep watching this video and I will tell you what to buy. There are two kinds of VPN connections in routers, server and client. Typically, the server VPN lets you connect to your home network when you are not home and use a different connection. But client VPN lets you connect to someone else's network, like a VPN server. For example, this Huawei router supports client mode, but this Xiaomi router supports server mode. You have to buy a router that has client mode. That's a better choice. Don't go after server mode. If you want to buy a cheap router that supports many protocols and can use most VPNs, I recommend getting a GLINet router. They are cheap and have many options. But if you already have a router that supports VPN, all you need is to go to your router settings. It depends on your router model and you can search on Google how to enter router settings, for example TP-Link. There will be an IP for router settings. For me it's 192.168.8.2. First, connect a device to your router, then with the browser enter the address. You will need a username and password. You can also search for this one on Google, but look at your router first. There might be a specific part for this information. Then you need to check different options on your router until you find VPN section. For me it's here. Now take a screenshot on this page and save it. The next step is buying a VPN from a provider that supports your router model. For example, ExpressVPN shows how to use it on different routers on their website, or NordVPN has a list of supported routers. The best thing is to ask them if they support your router. Even if it's not listed, they may support it. I already bought a VPN for my router and I have every information I need. I enter all of them here, save the settings and it will connect to the VPN. Now every device that connects to this router, including Xbox, PlayStation and Switch, uses VPN for everything. Even if I go to a game like Call of Duty, it changes the game server to the server of the VPN because that will be the least ping for you. Some routers can choose which device uses VPN. For example, you can select only your gaming console to use it. However, if you buy a new router, you will have two Wi-Fi and LAN ports for connection. One is your old standard internet and the second one will be a VPN router that you can connect to each one separately. It's good to have both options. One more critical tip: ask the VPN provider if they give you NAT Type 2, because some of them give you NAT Type 3 for more security, which is not ideal for gaming. There is a way to lower the game ping and fix lag by using DNS and VPN. That's why you have to check this video next to get a better ping while gaming and fix any server lag issue. I'll catch you there.